Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to reset display settings in Motorola Edge 15 Neo. So we made some changes to our graphic themes, to our display, to our fonts, and we want to reset them to default state without resetting the whole phone. So we need to go to settings first, then in personalize we are looking for display size and text options. And here we can do a lot of things: display, bold text, high contrast, font size, etc. And here is our reset settings option. So when we tap it, yes, reset our display sizes, etc. And now as you can see, we are back to our default settings. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.